Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing a lot of free online courses that are offered by Simplilearn across different categories. So before we see what are those courses and how you can enroll in it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, special offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. And you can also get subject-wise free courses in AnswersQ website, so make use of it. And I just want to tell you something here about Coursera platform. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top universities and companies like Google, Amazon, IBM, Duke University, Stanford University. So the content will be very good in the programs that are available in Coursera platform. So if you want to learn anything in Coursera, what you can do is you can go with their monthly plan, which will cost 4,306 per month. And with this offer, you can get access to anything that you want in Coursera. You can access 3,000 plus courses, specializations, professional certification programs, guided projects. Everything can be accessed with this offer, and you can earn unlimited certificates because there is no limit to the number of programs that you can take with this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So make use of it. If you want to learn anything in Coursera, you can make use of this monthly plan. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So I hope you will find this useful. Now let us move on and see the free online courses that are offered by Simplilearn. So Simplilearn has actually created a platform for this, which is called SkillUp. You can see here SkillUp by Simplilearn. This is a platform where you can get free online courses directly from Simplilearn. So companies are also training their employees with this platform. You can see here employees from leading companies like Dell, KPMG, Bosch are also taking the free courses in this website. And what you can get in this platform is you can basically get skill-based programs, and all the courses will be taught by industry experts who have that real-world work experience. And in addition to that, you can also get some free guides on career paths, salaries, interview tips, and a lot of things are covered. You can get those as well. And all the courses here are self-paced online courses, so you can just sit at your home and take it at your own pace. And these are the different categories under which you can get courses in this platform. So you can get courses for data science and business analytics, cyber security courses are also available, and artificial intelligence and machine learning, software development, and digital marketing courses, DevOps, cloud computing, big data, project management courses, agile and scrum, quality management, business and leadership, IT service and architecture. So you can get courses for all these categories. I think there are more than 10 categories here. You can get free online courses, and after completing the courses, you can also get a free certificate from Simplilearn in this platform. And if you want to know more details about any one course here under any one category, you can simply click on the course title here. For example, if you want to check this data science with Python course, just click on the title here and you'll be taken to the course page. And in the course page, you can get to know more details about the course, like what you'll be learning in it, and what are the skills that you can develop, and what are the modules, lessons, chapters that will be covered in this particular course. And here is a certificate sample for you. You will get a certificate similar to this after completing the course in this platform. And here you can also see the duration of the course. And this is the important thing to note here. Once you register and enroll in this course, you will only get 90 days free access. That's a lot of time. But anyway, I'm just telling this here. Once you enroll in, try to complete the course before 90 days and get your certificate of completion before that. Otherwise, the course might expire in your dashboard. So make use of the course before 90 days and you will also able to get the certificate before it. And now if you want to enroll in this course, just simply click on login here. And once you click on login, you'll be directed to another page here. If you already have a Simplilearn account, you can just give your details and log into your account. If you do not have a Simplilearn account, what you can do is you can see here sign up. Just click on it. And once you click on sign up, you'll be seeing this. So you can use your Google account or Facebook account or LinkedIn account, or if you have an Apple ID, you can use those things to create your account in this platform, or else you can simply sign up with your email. So after you sign into your account, what you have to do is, wait a second, let me go to the course page. Here it is. So once you log into your account, just click on this start learning. The enrollment process is very simple. Just create your account and log into your account and click on this start learning button from the course in which you want to enroll in. You'll be going to your dashboard and you can start learning. And after completing the course, you can get a certificate from your dashboard in SkillUp platform. And these are the categories, as I said, under which you can get courses in SkillUp platform. And apart from these courses, they also conduct some live webinars from time to time. So these are the upcoming webinars here. So Ambition Cannot Be Locked Down. It's a career masterclass in which you will learn how you can take your career after this lockdown. And here you have expert webinar on secret to developing great products and corporate upskilling and reskilling trends from 2021 and strategies for the future. So these are the webinars which will be conducted. You can hear from the experts. So you can also make use of these things to develop your skills and plan your future accordingly for different areas. So I hope you will find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.